Welcome back to another Photoshop editing video. So in this video, we are making a beautiful logo, so and then we are going to customize it. Let's make black color, E and S. Now try another color, red color. So you go OK it, and AB is going to be red.